Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. We get a few questions about pairing a phone up and the range and so on, so we'll just do a quick video on how that works. So with the phone in the vehicle, it would obviously start up, but what we'll do, we'll hop out the vehicle, put the phone about a metre or so away, hop in and try and start it. So we'll just pop the phone down here. As you can see, the car's here. Close the door. As you can see, the phone's just over there on the floor. And what we'll do, we'll just try and start the vehicle up and select a gear. See, we've got no melody as the vehicle's protected. Select our gear, it switches off as the phone's out of range. Hope that answers some customers' questions on how the phone works and what's the range like. Unlike some other products, this is out of range and it's adjustable. So if we just pick up the phone, walk into the vehicle, start it up, you'll hear we get the melody straight away. There we go, and we can drive it. Hope that answers some questions on how the product works with the phone. And once again, we're Immobiliser Fit, and our number is 0208 212 7393.